In this video, you will see how to extract multiple flight and hotel listings from kayak.co.uk, whoever you are, using Minexa.ai's powerful scraping tool. Here I am opening the page that already has the data loaded on kayak.co.uk. At this point, just click the icon up here to launch the Minexa.ai extension. The panel is visible. Press "I'm on the right page," and Minexa.ai runs the full analysis of this flights and hotel listings page. The scan revealed it. Content block identified, and the data is ready to extract. At this point, select List Only, or enable detail pages so Minexa.ai scrapes each results detail page. Nothing to click or fill before results show? Just continue. Otherwise, use advanced options to customize. See that highlighted section? Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai studies every field automatically. Every piece of data found automatically. Select what matters, like flight times, destinations, and prices. Then move on. For the technical side, click API Request and copy Python code that returns consistent structured JSON every run. Click to confirm the configuration, and the scraper is locked in, ready for use. The navigation is detected and ready. Every run goes through all pages automatically without extra effort. Final screen. Connect Google Sheets if useful, set a frequency if needed, then create the job. Click Run, and the job starts collecting across all pages, gathering flight numbers, departure times, hotel names, and prices smoothly. The scraper is now saved to your account. Use it across as many similar URLs as you need, through the extension or directly via the API, without any additional setup or configuration. Extracted data includes airline names, flight times, layovers, hotel locations, and prices, all organized for your analysis. Click Export and download your data as an Excel file or JSON for immediate use. Any website, clean structured data, a few minutes of setup. For developers, one API call returns consistent JSON across any number of pages at any scale.